My long-running 1991 Firebird project is finally nearing completion. After all the work that's been done, finally driving the car has been really nice. But while a great deal of work has been done to the drivetrain, the body of the car has been largely ignored. Until today. The time has finally come for the car to receive a much-deserved paint correction, polish, and ceramic coating. Step 1 is washing the car. I don't use any fancy soap, just the cheap stuff from Walmart, and it seems to work okay. This actually isn't my first time ceramic coating a vehicle. I've also done both of my Teslas and they turned out beautifully, so I'm really excited for how the Firebird's blue will turn out once it's finished. Since the car has white letter tires, I'll be using Wesley's Bleach White Tire Cleaner. I've tried a few others, but for white letters I haven't found anything that works better than this. Up until this point, I'd used a ceramic spray wax on the vehicle, but the back hatch had been excluded from that treatment, so we can see the difference that a ceramic product can make. See how the water just slowly sheets off the car on the back? That's how it behaves on an unwaxed, uncoated area. But if we spray the windshield, for instance, the water runs right off. This effect will be even more pronounced once the full ceramic coating is finished. Once cleaned, I'll dry the whole car with a microfiber towel, then move on to decontamination. I use a clay bar kit I got at Walmart and go over the whole car, using Meguiar's Quick Detail Spray as a clay lube. This will remove any contaminants that are embedded in the pores of the paint. Next up is the paint correction. I'm sticking to a single stage polish because of how soft this paint is compared to a more modern high solids urethane. And since I don't have a depth gauge, I'll be moving quick and going easy on it. I'd rather remove too little material than too much. If you have a cordless DA polisher like me, make sure you get all your batteries charged up, because this process takes a while and the DA really chews through the batteries. Once you're done, remove the polish with a clean microfiber towel. The polishing ended up taking a little over 4 hours because the oxidized clear coat kept clogging up my polishing pads, but you can probably already tell how much of an improvement it made. Once the whole car was polished, I sprayed it down with isopropyl alcohol and wiped it off with another clean microfiber cloth. After all of that, we're finally ready for the ceramic coating. I use Avalon King's Armor Shield 9 because it's reasonably affordable and it worked out great on my Tesla for over a year now. You basically just glug some of it out on the included applicator, then spread it on in slow, even strokes working in small sections. The weather was pretty hot out when I did this, and because of that it flashed off almost immediately and was ready to be buffed out with another microfiber cloth. And once you've gone over the whole car with it, you're done. I left the car in our barn for 3 days to allow the coating to fully cure because it was scheduled to rain and you're not supposed to get the coating wet until the curing is finished. All in all, the process took about 10 hours, which might sound like a lot, but it makes keeping the car clean much easier going forward, and it protects the paint better than pretty much any other coating is going to. Most of the visual improvements do come in the polishing, but the ceramic coating helps those improvements to last. The Maui blue looks the best it has in a long time, and I could not be happier with the result. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, hit like, get subscribed, and ring the bell so you get notified when I post new videos, and I will see you guys in the next one.